What's up, people? 100 Spoke Riders here. And I'm gonna do this short little video talking about the 1-year review of this Patio Paradise sunscreen sunshade that I got off of Amazon. I found it on Amazon. The company I got it from is called Patio Paradise, and as you've seen from the first video, it can definitely hold up to a beating, and it definitely held up well within the year plus that I've had this thing. I did do a slight little modification as far as the mounting goes. I didn't use the rope that they sent with the sunscreen. I ended up using these chains, but all in all, and turnbuckles, but all in all, I think it works out great because it keeps the sun off the project cars in the backyard. And I've had these up for about a year and a few months, and it is held up very well in wind, monsoon-like wind, rain, and that's about all we really get here in Arizona is heavy wind and rain. I don't know how well they would work in other climates with the snow situation, but most likely when it was snow season, you just pull them down and you wouldn't need them. So yeah, this is just my quick 1-year review of the Patio Paradise sunscreens, patio shades on Amazon. You can order these any size that you want, and when you do the sizing, take a lot of measurements and take into account that they kind of bow in, you know what I'm saying, like almost like a star pattern on all 4 corners. They bow, so that's just something to think about. It's not going to be a straight shot. So that's just one thing to think about when doing the sizing. Just measure as much as possible. But all in all, and also they come in a lot of different colors. I wanted it kind of like a brown, dark brown, earthy color. But all in all, man, I'm very happy with this company. I'm very happy with what I got. And there's nothing really bad I could say about these sunshades. They're well worth the money. I kind of got them. I didn't really know anything about the company. I just got these off of Amazon because they were basically the most expensive ones you can get. And I firmly believe in you get what you pay for. And if I would have had the cheap ones they sell at the department stores and the big box hardware stores, they probably would have ripped and been failing and laid on the ground by now. But obviously these can handle the beating it takes from the monsoon-like Arizona winds. And yeah, so these Patio Paradise sunscreens definitely get the 100 Spoke Riders stamp of approval. All right, people, just giving you my quick 1-year review. 100 Spoke Riders signing out. Thanks for watching 100 Spoke Riders. Subscribe today to not miss a video. You want to hit that little bell like so. Easy. Don't forget about the notifications. All you got to do is go up there and click it just like that. Slide on down there, hit that save button, and then you won't miss a video. It's that easy.